It is said by a South Indian Acharya, Pillai Lokacharya, that the true disciple of the Guru does three things. And I see Bhakti Charu Maharaj as a true disciple of Srila Prabhupada because he did all three of those things. He took He preserves his intellectual legacy, his writings, his philosophy, his teachings, Srila Prabhupada's books, and rendered them into Bengali. And this is a very curious thing, to take the spiritual master's Bengali writings, his commentary on Bengali writings, to take them from the English back into Bengali. But he did that, and he made Prabhupada's books accessible for a completely new generation of devotee in India. And today, the Bhagavatam, Chaitanya Charitamrita purports, Bhagavad Gita, are in Bengali, and a very good class of Bengali because of Maharaj's constant work, getting up early in the morning, just as he'd seen Srila Prabhupada do, and rendering his words into Bengali language. He carries forward his protection of his legacy, his physical legacy, in the form of buildings and properties and students, and he cares for them. Bhakti Charu Maharaj sat on GBC meetings to protect the properties of his spiritual master. Anyone who has been to meetings know that they are not the most, should we say, spiritually dynamic, to sit through them, to organize the legalities, to organize systems and structures by which Prabhupada's properties can be protected. This is very important. Srila Prabhupada is often quoted as saying, "Your love for me will be proven by how much you cooperate after I'm gone." But the second half of that saying is that your love for me will be proven by how much you cooperate to keep this institution together after I'm gone. So Bhakti Charu Maharaj did that with various temples, ISKCON centers around the world that were flagging in enthusiasm, at great cost to himself, at great physical exertion, and with many headaches. He protected Prabhupada's movement in different ways. And he also takes forward the spiritual master's fame. He makes him famous throughout the world, all the while expanding things, taking the spiritual master's fame to another level, as he did in the hometown of Krishna Balaram, Avantika, or Ujjain, to create a beautiful center there where people could learn of Krishna and Balaram. And finally, he made Prabhupada famous in a television film serial, all of Prabhupada's life. Very dedicated and very loyal to Srila Prabhupada, the person. Not simply the mission of Srila Prabhupada, but Srila Prabhupada, the person. His fame as a person, his words as a person.